Hello, my name is Maurizio Borghi. I'm a professor of intellectual property law here at Bournemouth University, and I will present our postgraduate certificate in intellectual property. This is a part-time course which is oriented to develop legal and practical skills in intellectual property law. It can be completed while working full-time, is addressed to students with no prior legal knowledge or experience, and as a matter of fact, around 80% of our students do not have a degree in law, and they come from backgrounds as diverse as science, engineering, and technology. The course is designed in collaboration with professional bodies, specifically the Chartered Institute of Patent Attorneys and the Chartered Institute of Trademark Attorneys. It is delivered by the faculty of the renowned Center for Intellectual Property Policy and Management of Bournemouth University and by leading UK practitioners in the field. Last but not least, the course is accredited by the Intellectual Property Regulation Board, the IP-Reg, which means that on successful completion of the course, you receive full exemption from the foundation level examinations for the qualification as a patent attorney or trademark attorney in the UK. So what does this course cover? The course comprises of 4 units of 20 credits each. Principles of Law is a non-credit bearing unit, which means that does not bear credit and is not actually compulsory for students with a background in law, but is part of the qualification requirement for students who do not have a background in law. And then the substantial units of this course are patents and design, copyright and trademarks, and international intellectual property practice. This last unit has 2 routes you can choose from, trademark attorney or patent attorney route. So this unit has a common syllabus and a specific syllabus which depends on the route you choose. Teaching is delivered through frontal lectures, group seminars, and a moot court exercise, where students exercise their knowledge by taking part in simulated court proceedings. Teaching is also supplemented by master classes that are delivered by IP experts and leading practitioners in various areas of IP. Assessment is done by coursework, assignment briefs, and a final written exam, which completes your itinerary in this course and typically takes place the last week of May or first week of June. The maximum intake for this course is 60 students. The course tends normally to be fully booked, so I recommend not to delay too much your application if you wish to secure a place in the next round of the course. The course starts every year in January. In the first teaching week of January is, as I said before, a part-time course, so it lasts 5 months from January to end of May. There are 3 long weekends of teaching from Thursdays afternoon through Saturdays, plus an exam. So you will have to come to Bournemouth 4 times overall. And there is a program of online activities in between the teaching weekends. So the delivery of this course is mixed. There are teaching weekends where you have to physically come to Bournemouth, and there are online activities that you can perform from home. Teaching takes place at Lansdowne campus, which is close to Bournemouth town centre and the train station. So why choosing to study intellectual property at Bournemouth University? Well, BU has 20 years experience of teaching and research in intellectual property law. It is the only UK university to host a Jean Monnet Centre of Excellence in Intellectual Property, and has obviously a strong reputation in this field. The course is the ideal step to achieve professional qualification as trademark attorney or patent attorney. As I said before, the course is fully accredited by the IP Regulation Board and gives exemption from the foundation level examinations. So it is really the first step for a career as a trademark or patent attorney. And finally, the part-time delivery over the 3 teaching weekends, as I explained before, gives a lot of flexibility also to students who are full-time employed. So you don't need to take long leave from your work to complete the course. In terms of career opportunities, our graduates are working in various roles such as commercial manager, intellectual property consultant, patent executive, and of course patent attorney and trademark attorney. As I said before, we have delivered this course for about 20 years, so it's impossible to give you an overview of the many careers our students have gone on. But just to give you some examples, careers include associate or later on partner in leading IP firms such as HGF, Kilburn and Strode, Marks & Clerk, Schlick & Co, and many, many others. Or alternatively, in-house IP lawyer in both large and mid-sized companies. For example, Land Rover, Unilever, Nokia, Siemens, Lush, whose headquarters, by the way, are here in Poole. Other careers are the career of IP consultant, working in IP consultancy firms, or as an IP officer in public sector organizations, including universities, for example. So each year we have a cohort comprising students from all over the country and from overseas. It's a quite international and diverse community comprising students coming from diverse backgrounds and professions who come to Bournemouth to learn intellectual property. I have to say it is an exciting course for us to teach, and we are very proud to see our students grow in their career. And this concludes my presentation of the Postgraduate Certificate in Intellectual Property. For more information, for questions, please contact future students at bournemouth.ac.uk. Thank you.